Hey everyone! So today I am going to show you how to make these gorgeous triangle dumplings. Now they're more for looks than anything, but I ended up using the same clear dumplings wrapper that I showed you guys a couple weeks ago, and it's super easy to make. It's super easy to form, and for the filling I actually narrowed it down to just 4 condiment ingredients. I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. Rightio, so super easy. Recipe is going to be down below, but essentially it's a half a cup of chopped leeks, a half a cup of carrots, and then in go a 1/4 cup of shiitake mushrooms that I've rehydrated first and then cut up into really small bits. So I wanted this to be really easy because I know we typically have a ton of ingredients anytime we're making dumplings. So afterwards I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and then followed by 1 teaspoon of this clear spring soy sauce. So it's a very naturally made, good tasting brand. It actually airs more, I feel, on the saltier side of things. And then followed by that, I have 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and that just makes everything nice and nutty. And then the last thing is just a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and that just kind of like brings all of the sweetness from the vegetables out, and you know, kind of mellows out a little bit of that soy sauce. So remember these wrappers? They were the clear dumpling wrappers from I think about 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna put the link up top and then also down below. So I roll it out into right around a 4-inch diameter circle. And because we're making these like really pretty triangular dumplings, it's good to have a nice clean edge. So I just took a cookie cutter and then cut them out that way. So I just use a little bit of water to get the edges nice and sticky, and then I put in right around 1 teaspoon of filling. So there's not much filling in this at all, and then it's really easy to make these triangular shapes. So I kind of go in pretty much a halfway, just like, you know, folding the dumpling in half, and then afterwards you have this flap left, right? So take the middle and then fold that in, and then you end up with this triangular shape. So all of that goes into a preheated steamer, and then we're gonna steam this for right around 10 to 12 minutes until the wrappers get nice and translucent. I'll tell you, for the work that it took to fold these dumplings, it looks a lot more impressive than it actually is, although it is very delicious. Anyways, I hope you guys have been enjoying these vegan dim sum 2.0 videos. I've really been meaning to try to really like health up all of the recipes, but still have them be super flavorful and super delicious. So that's why, you know, we have something like this. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!